If your dinner time routine needs a bit of a jump start, you're going to love the dish we're making today. It's super easy, budget friendly, and it tastes amazing. It's what we call Mom's Go-To Weeknight Goulash, and it goes together like this. We start by boiling some elbow macaroni just until it's tender. Then we drain it, and while it sits for a sec, we brown some ground beef with chopped onion and green pepper. Now, depending on what your gang likes, you could always add some mushrooms or a spicier pepper. Once the meat's crumbled and we've drained the drippings, we add the pasta to it, along with a jar of spaghetti sauce and a few spices. We'll give this a good stir and let it simmer for a bit so all the flavors have a chance to come together. Then right before dinner, we'll sprinkle on some shredded cheese, and once that melts, it's ready to serve. The whole thing, from start to finish, is done in less than 30 minutes. Maybe serve it up with a salad and some crusty bread, and you're good to go. The easy recipe for Mom's Go-To Weeknight Goulash is on our website and is ready to be your new go-to recipe when you want something fill you up good. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a weeknight-friendly way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. That should hold you over to lunch, huh?